It's Apple Buff and welcome to the review of AirTag Indoor Edition. Just a week earlier to this video, I unboxed Apple's $29 tracking device, that's the AirTag. And after using it for a week, here's what I think. Let me start talking about what do I like about the AirTag first. And to be honest, I really love the way it looks, and no doubt it appears to be small and compact, of course, but not to forget this little guy has a lot of potential to help you find the lost item. Well, for this review, I had placed my AirTag right on my Apple TV remote because let's be honest and agree to the fact that most misplaced item that disappears at the time you need is the TV remote. And when it comes to tracking the lost item with the AirTag, I must tell you the fact that no doubt it will guide you to the right place where it got lost. But it absolutely depends on the iPhone that you're using and have connected your AirTag with. And to give a more clear picture of what I meant by that, let me show you why even your iPhone matters. So let's say if you're using an older iPhone like the iPhone XR, XS, 10 and even the 2020 iPhone SE that does not have the U1 chip, then you won't be able to use the feature of precision finding that is absolutely needed for finding the lost item. And instead of precision finding, the users of this iPhone have to rely on Apple Maps to find the lost item, which does not turn out to be that useful when items like TV remote is lost indoors and all you get to make use is of the sound that is produced from the AirTag. While on the other hand, if you use any iPhone from the 11 and the 12 series, you get to take the advantage of the U1 chip. And eventually you can even make use of the precision finding. That actually is a game changer and is absolutely a life and a time saver when the item is lost indoors or nearby. Now with all that being said, let me open up about the only thing that I don't like about the AirTag. It's definitely the back of the AirTag. And although the stainless steel back looks absolutely beautiful with that Apple logo, but at the same time it is also a place that gets a lot of scratch over time. Unfortunately, after using it for a week, I got only one scratch, but still, a scratch is a scratch. For the battery, Apple has finally given us an opportunity to replace the battery. The AirTag comes with a replaceable battery that needs to be replaced or changed after a year. And for that, all you need to do is just press the sides and rotate clockwise the stainless steel cap. So overall, as I said before, no doubt, AirTag is definitely worth buying. But before you buy one, make sure to check your phone so that you are able to make the best use of it. And number 2, also determine the use of the AirTag first. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.